Hello there, welcome to my channel. Today we are diving into the colorful world of idioms with a twist. Get ready to challenge yourself with 30 multiple choice questions that will test your knowledge and deepen your understanding. Stick around for detailed explanations that will turn you into an idiom expert. So let's get started. आज की क्लास में 30 MCQ क्वेश्चंस हैं. लेट्स सी आप कितने सॉल्व कर पाते हैं और मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में आंसर जरूर दीजिएगा. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. He was caught between a rock and a dash when choosing his career path. Hard place, stone, mountain or brick wall? The answer is going to be hard place. So caught between a rock and a hard place का मतलब होता है facing two difficult choices. मुश्किल स्थितियां दो. Second, when they finally resolved the issue, it was a dash of my shoulders. Weight, burden, load or pressure. The answer is going to be weight. A weight of my shoulders means जब relief मिलता है एक burden से, एक problem से, that is when you use this idiom. Third, the project was completed ahead of schedule, so we were given the dash to celebrate. Green light, red flag, yellow light or blue sky. The answer is going to be green light. So green light का मतलब permission to proceed with anything. आप जो भी करना चाहते हैं आप वो कर सकते हैं. उस चीज की हम लोगों को permission मिल गई थी. Her explanation was so clear, it was like dash on a chalkboard. Music, reading, writing or painting? Answer is writing. So as clear as writing on a chalkboard means something very easy to understand. Fifth, he has a dash for making up stories that are hard to believe. Gift, knack, talent or tendency? He has a knack, which basically means उसके पास एक special talent है, skill है for something. आगे चलते हैं. Sixth question is, the movie is expected to be a dash at the box office. Hit, miss, flop, या drag. The answer is going to be a hit, which means something that is very successful. Seventh, she is determined to dash her way through the new job. Options have wing, fly, plow or navigate. The answer is going to be she is going to wing. Wing it means to do something without preparation or planning. Eighth question. He's been dash about his upcoming vacation plans, keeping everyone in suspense. Tight-lipped, open-handed, clear-headed or broad-minded? The answer is tight-lipped. So tight-lipped means keeping something secret or not revealing information bahar na dena. When they lost the match, it was a real dash to their team's morale. Boost, hit, setback or triumph? The answer is going to be setback, which means a problem, या एक hindrance in progress of something. The detective managed to dash the mystery after weeks of investigation. Unravel, tie up, cover up or bury? The answer is going to be unravel. So unravel करना means solve करना, figure out something जो बहुत complicated है. Solution निकालना. The situation was so confusing that it felt like we were in a dash of our own making. Maze, jungle, storm or labyrinth. तो labyrinth का मतलब क्या होता है? Complicated set of path या passages जिसके अंदर अपना रास्ता ढूंढना बड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता है. That's labyrinth. But इसका आंसर आएगा यहाँ पर maze. So इसमें maze का मतलब होता है complex या confusing situation. The manager told us to keep our noses dash and avoid office gossip. Clean, open, sharp या hidden? The answer to this question is clean. Keep one's nose clean means to stay out of trouble, avoid doing anything जो गलत है, wrong है. Next, after weeks of stress, she finally had a chance to dash and relax. Wind down, crank up, push through or speed up? The answer is going to be wind down, which means to relax या किसी चीज की intensity को कम करना, pressure को कम करना. Next, his explanation was as clear as dash. Everyone understood immediately. Mud, crystal, fog, or haze. Answer is crystal. As clear as crystal means something which is very easy to understand. समझना easy था. They decided to dash their plans for a while and see how things develop. They decided to put on hold, jump the gun, take the plunge, or call it a day. Answer is put on hold, which means to temporarily stop or delay something. रोक देना किसी चीज को थोड़ी देर के लिए बेशक. The company's decision to expand internationally was a real dash of the times. Sign, relic, throwback, or marker. The answer is going to be sign. Sign of the times means an indication of current trends या जो changes है उसकी indication. She decided to dash to the new manager's demands even though she disagreed. Go along, fight back, stand firm, or argue. इसका आंसर आएगा go along. So go along means to agree with or accept something even if it's not preferred. अगर आपको नहीं पसंद फिर भी साथ में चलना. अगला question. His comment was a bit of a dash causing a lot of unnecessary arguments. Red herring, flash in the pan, bone of contention या drop in the bucket. इसमें आंसर आएगा bone of contention, which means issue which causes disagreement. The unexpected success of the book was a dash for the struggling author. Godsend, curse, disappointment, or drag. इसका आंसर है godsend, which means something which is very fortunate या आप कह सकते हैं beneficial that comes at just the right time. Next question. She is always dashed to lend a hand whenever someone needs help. Ready, hesitant, reluctant, or slow. The answer is going to be she is always ready to lend a hand means being willing to help. हमेशा help करने के लिए तैयार. Next question. The new policy at work is a bit of a dash. No one really understands it. Mystery, blessing, headache, or advantage. It's a bit of a mystery, which means something that's confusing या जो अच्छे से नहीं समझ आता, not well understood. His generous donation was a dash of his commitment to the cause. Token, symbol, burden या इसको हम erase कर देते हैं. Let's go with three options. इसमें से आंसर आएगा token. A token means a small but significant gesture of something. छोटा लेकिन बड़ा कोई gesture. She's dashed all her efforts into the project to make it a success. Putting, avoiding, spreading या limiting. Answer आएगा putting. Putting all one's efforts into means dedicating maximum effort to something. किसी चीज पे maximum effort डालना. After the argument, she was left feeling like he was dashed with no one on his side. On an island, in the loop, part of a team, yeah, in a crowd. The answer to the question is on an island, which means feeling isolated, yeah, अकेला feel करना, alone. They had to dash their presentation to fit within the time limit. Trim down, stretch out, expand on, or lengthen. The answer is trim down, which means reduce or shorten something, कम करना किसी चीज को ताकि वो time frame में आ जाए, adjust हो जाए. When he lost his job, he felt like his world was dash falling apart, on the mend, getting better, या coming together. The answer is falling apart, which means experiencing severe problems या difficulty कि दुनिया खत्म हो रही है. अगला question. She's always dash about her achievements, never boasting or showing off. Modest, proud, confident, or arrogant. Answer is modest, which means showing humility. Yeah, not bragging about कि यार मैंने तो ऐसा कर दिया, मैंने तो ये कर दिया, वो चीज नहीं रखना, arrogance नहीं रखना. Next, they decided to dash and go for the adventure trip despite the risks. Take the plunge, play it safe, sit on the fence, or hold back. इसका आएगा take the plunge, which means to take the risk or make a bold decision हम कह सकते हैं. He's been working hard to dash his skills in the new job. Hone, hide, ignore or waste. The answer is going to be hone, which means refine karna, perfect karna ek skill. The surprise party was a real dash. No one saw it coming. Shocker, let down, certainty या expectation. The answer is a shocker, means something surprising or unexpected. तो ये थे आज के 30 क्वेश्चंस. आप मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर बताइएगा कि आपके कितने करेक्ट रहे. आई लाइक टू नो. अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब जरूर कीजिएगा. फिर मिलेंगे. टिल देन टेक केयर. बाय बाय.